Good morning to class.
Good morning.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you
Morning,
today?
Miss.
Good, Miss.
Good. Are you
Yes.
eating already?
Oh,
No, belum, Miss.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Now we start for our chapter for today is chapter 5, Form 5, Congruency. Our title is Congruency. Okay. The learning objective we can get at the end of the lesson, students will able to distinguish between congruent and non-congruent shape by comparing their size and angle. Number two, use congruence criteria to verify the congruency of triangle. The number three is solve real world problem by applying the principle of congruency. Okay, before we start learning about congruency, I already prepared short video about congruent shape in YouTube. Let's see first, and you must to pay attention to this video. I will ask a question later. Okay. Sorry, class. Wait for a while. We have a problem for the maintenance.
Hey, Miss.
Are not the same size. Hey everyone, thank you for joining me on this lesson where we are going to explore the differences between similar and congruent. So let's start off with the question, what does it mean when two things are similar? So let's start out by looking at some pairs of everyday items. We could probably describe each of these pairs as being similar in some way. It could be based on shape, color, species, function, or many other ways of describing these things. But when it comes to geometry and looking at mathematical figures, our definition of similar is much more specific. So let's go ahead and explore that further by looking at the pair of shoes. Notice that despite being different colors, both images have the same shape. This is still true even when we change the size by making it larger or smaller. This is also still true when we change the orientation by rotating them in one direction or another. So now as we discuss two figures being similar, we are going to focus on whether or not they have the same shape. So here's another example of two similar figures. The two ghosts are different sizes, but they have the same shape. even if one is facing a different direction than the other, they still have the same shape, therefore they are still similar. Now, when we say the same shape, we have to be specific in that the two figures are proportional to each other. And we can illustrate this by overlapping the two. Now, from here, we can clearly see that the figures are similar, but since they are not the identical same size, we can also conclude that they are not congruent. So now, let's go ahead and explore why. Now, moving forward, let's keep the following exploration questions in mind. How can I be sure that two figures are similar? What is the difference between similar and congruent? Can a figure be both similar and congruent at the same time? And when does that cube go? It's going to show up again. So now let's go ahead and extend our thinking. We have two figures and we want to describe whether or not they are similar and or congruent to each other. Starting with similarity, we can see that these are both regular pentagons. So since they are the same shape, we can conclude that yes, they are similar to each other. And if we can visualize overlapping the two figures, it's easy to see that taking the smaller pentagon and making it larger would make it identical to the larger purple pentagon. Therefore, they are proportional to each other. We can conclude here that the figures are similar because they have the same shape. However, we can see that these figures, while being similar, clearly are not the same size. So we can also conclude that the figures are not congruent because they are not the same size. And we can add that both similar and congruent figures have the same shape, but congruent figures also have the same size. So let's quickly check out a few more examples. Look at the two figures shown here. In terms of them being similar, we can see that they are the same shape and that they are proportional to each other. So we know that these two figures are similar. However, it is very easy to see that they are not the same size, so we can also conclude that they are not congruent. Let's look at two more figures. To see whether or not they are similar, we have to change the orientation so that they're both facing in the same direction, which helps us to see that yes, they are the same shape. They are both regular hexagons. We can also see by overlapping the two figures that they are identical in size. So this pair of figures is both similar and congruent, which leads us to the conclusion that all congruent figures are similar, but not vice versa, meaning that not all similar figures are congruent. And there is, of course, the possibility of a situation where two figures are neither similar nor congruent to each other. Can you imagine what that might look like? So now you should have a better understanding of the concepts of similar and congruent figures. So keep these in mind as you continue to explore these properties and get into some more advanced problems. So thank you again for checking us out, and I'll see you next time. All right, so that's it for this lesson. Thank you again for stopping by.
Okay, class. What you see just now at the video? Hello, class. Hello. Hello, class.
Yeah.
What you can see at the video just now? Alvin, what you see at the video just now? Hello, Alvin. Hello?
Hello.
Alvin, what do you see at the video just now? Ate, what you see at the video just now?
What's in about how congruent shape means
Okay.
um, I know
How
what
about
is
Elsia? How about Elsia? What you see at the video just now?
About congruent shape.
Okay, good. Next is Nick. What you see at the video just now, Nick? For your opinion.
The characteristic means
Huh?
congruent shape.
Okay, good. Okay, we proceed for our slide. What is congruence? Congruent is same size and shape regardless of their position and arrangement. Same with what you see just now. The video show the shape and the size and the shape is the same size. Okay. Next, what is your observation regarding the size and shape of each pair of objects? Sure. Nick, what do you see at the first example?
The picture reflect.
Okay. Another question. Another answer.
Saya ke Miss?
Yes. You.
Dia gambar sama tapi dia terbalik kan.
Okay. Apa yang berkaitan dengan gambar ni? Kamu tengok betul-betul. Apa yang berkaitan dengan gambar dua ni? Adakah dia mempunyai sudut yang sama dengan sisi yang sama?
Ya, sama Miss. Sama Miss.
Okay, good. Ate, I want to ask you about the Petronas Twin Tower. Is the same size or not?
same.
Okay, good. How about the tire? The front and rear tire of a car, front and the back tire is the same or not? Elsia?
Same, Miss.
Okay, good. So far, do you understand so far, class?
Understand.
Okay, good.
Yes, Miss.
Proceed to the next slide. Two congruent polygons have the same measurements for the corresponding side and angle. The first picture is A, B, C, D. The second picture is P, Q, R, S. In the diagram above, quadrilateral ABCD and PQRS are congruent with the conditions shown in the following table. Lengths of corresponding side. Class AB equal to RQ, BC equal to QP, CD equal to PS. For the last one, AD equal to RS. They're the same size and same length. For the size of corresponding angle, BAD the same as QRS. Next, ABC same as RQP. The third BCD same as QPS. The last one ADC same as RSP. Same length and same size. And the two pictures I showed just now, the example. Okay, next is determine whether each pair of the following shape are congruent. This is example 1 for determine whether each pair of the following shape are congruent. What you can see at the pictures for the example 1. Next, what you can see at the pictures.
Dia sama panjang.
Okay, sama panjang, oh.
Oh.
Okay. Let we proceed for the solution for example 1. Okay, this is the solution of example 1. BC, like this side, square root 5, 5 kuasa 2 tambah 12 kuasa 2, lepastu punca kuasa ialah 13 cm. Okay, BC equal to RQ and PQRS, the degree 180 degree, tolak 90 degree, tolak 26.6 degree is 67.4 degree. It is same, PQRS is the same as ABC. The measurement of all corresponding side and angle are equal, hence both shapes are congruent. The both shapes are congruent for example 1. The next is example 2. Okay. Elsia, I want to ask a question. Hello, Elsia.
Yeah, Miss.
Elsia, what you can see at the example 2?
The reflection?
How we call this shape?
Um, panjang sama?
Ya, adakah dia punya panjang ini sama ataupun tidak? Untuk BC dengan PQ.
Sama.
Okay. Let we see a solution for the example 2. For example 2, solution DC 8 nomor tolak. 8 minus 3 is 5 centimeter. It's not DC not same with RQ or PU 4 plus 3 is 7 centimeter. It's not same with PU, not same with BA. Hence, both sets are not congruent. Example 2 is not congruent. Okay, now I want to explain about properties of triangle congruency. For side, S, the lengths of corresponding sides are equal. AC equal to PR, AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR. Okay, the second is side angle side, SAS. Two corresponding sides are equal in length and the size of the corresponding substandard angle between the two sides are equal. That means AC equal to PR. BAC equal to QPR. This we call this is angle. Okay, for AB equal to PQ. The third is angle side angle ASA. Two corresponding angles are equal and the lengths of the corresponding side between the two angles are equal. This means is BAC equal to QPR. This is we call angle. AC equal to PR. AC, PR is the same. ACB equal to PRQ. This example have two angles. Continue for the number 4. Angle side AAS. Two corresponding angles are equal and the length of one of the corresponding side with does not lie between the two angles are equal. This means BAC equal to QPR. We find an angle first. For the second, ACB equal to PRQ. Okay, this is the second angle. Okay, for BC equal to QR. BC equal to QR. This already labeled. Okay. For the number 5 is angle, AAA. All the three corresponding angles are equal. The area of the pair of triangle must be equal. BAC equal to QPR. ACB equal to PRQ. ABC equal to PQR. For the last one, for the properties of triangle congruency. Side angle. That means SSH. Shortcut SSA. Two corresponding sides are equal in length and one of the corresponding angle which is not substandard between the two sides are equal. The area of the pair of triangle must be equal. This means it's AC equal to PR and AB. This means it's AC equal to PR. AB equal to PQ. ACB equal to PRQ. Okay. Until now, do you understand so far, class? Class?
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Yes. Yes, Miss.
About the angle and the side?
Yes.
And Miss.
Okay, my students are so good. Okay, for the next slide, determines whether a pair of the flowing triangle satisfies the properties of triangle congruency. Justifies your answer. Alvin, for example 1, what you can see and what is the solution we can answer? Alvin,
Yeah.
what is the solution for example 1?
For example, one, no. The solution is no because the rectangles have two corresponding sides and no one corresponding angle of the same measurements. The meaning side and angle are different in measurement. The area is different. This why conclusion is not easy.
Okay, this for the conclusion, this side is not congruency. Okay. Thank you, Abin.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay. For the example two, I want ask Nick, what solution for example two?
No solution, Miss.
Yeah,
Sebab
solution.
semua
You
panjang
can
tak sama.
I give it the slide. You can read it the slide.
Ayok. No, although both triangle have three corresponding angles of the same measurement, all the corresponding sides are different in measurement, the areas are different.
Can you explain uh about the sentence? Can you explain?
The area are different, Miss, sebab panjang dia lain. Sebab panjang dia lain.
Ada lagi?
Area dia maybe setengah, Miss. Sekejap, Miss.
Kedua-dua triangle ini dia ada tiga corresponding angle of the same measurement. Maksud dia ada sama lah dia punya angle tu. Untuk keseluruhan, dia punya size different sebab dia punya panjang tidak sama. So, dia punya conclusion, dia punya rumusan adalah tidak sama. Okay, thank you, Nick.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. For the example 3, the diagram below shows two congruent triangles. It is given that the triangle congruent rule used to determine both triangles are congruent is angle side angle ASA. Complete the table below with the other characteristic involving angle side angle ASA. Okay. L, what solution for example 3, L?
Yo, Miss.
Okay. L, can you answer my question? What solution for example 3?
No understand, Miss.
Oh, you not understand. You can read the answer I give just now and you explain for me.
Which one, Miss?
Angle, side angle, this.
Angle for ACB equal to angle to DFE like that, Miss.
Okay, for the side.
Side is BC equal to EF. The angle for ABC equal to DEF.
Can you explain about what is angle?
Angle. What is angle, Miss?
Angle adalah dia punya darjah dekat dalam tu. Lepas tu side tu adalah sisi dia sama. Angle dia pun sama.
Oh, okay, Miss.
Do you understand so far, Asia?
Understand, Miss.
Okay, good.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, this is example for solve problem involving congruency. Congruency. The diagram on the right shows an isosceles triangle PQR where PR equal to QR. A and B are the midpoint of the side PR and QR, respectively. Show that triangle PBR and QAR are congruent. RPQ, QRP. Okay, for the solution for the example 1 is based on the diagram on the left, PR equal to QR. PR equal to RQ is the same example. For the angle PRB, same as QRA. For the last one is BR equal to AR. BR equal to AR. BR equal to RA is the same example. Same answer. Same the solution. Okay, that's all. Triangle PBR and QAR satisfy the properties of side angle side SAS. Therefore, triangle PBR and QAR are congruent. The example is congruent. For the example 2, Tiva prepare two pieces of congruent trapezium shaped card as shown in the diagram below. Each card is painted with half of a logo. Okay, this is first and this is second trapezium. Next two pictures are the two sides is we call trapezium. Siba put the two pieces of card together to form a pentagon with a complete logo. If the perimeter of the pentagon is 90 centimeter, calculate the area in centimeter kuasa 2 of the pentagon. For the solution of example 2 is first, understanding the problem. This trapezium ABCD and trapezium QPSR are congruent. AB equal to PQ or QP. BC equal to PS. For the CD equal to RS or SR. For the AD equal to QR or RQ. The perimeter of the pentagon form is 19 centimeter. The question already put the 19 centimeter at the question. For the second, devising a strategy. Okay, kita gabungkan kedua-dua bentuk trapezium ni tadi. Lepas tu label kan satu persatu mana satu dia punya panjang. Okay. Kelas, dengar tak kelas?
Dengar, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Dengar, Miss.
Okay. Okay, good. CS equal to 19 centimeter. Minus AD minus DC, QR and RS. This means 90 centimeter for the all two shape trapezium. This means include two shape. 19 centimeter minus AD minus DC minus QR minus RS. Calculate the length of AB. Area of pentagon is Same as 2 time area of trapezium. In implementing the strategy CS equal to 90 minus 13 minus 20 minus 13 minus 20 equal to 24. For the CB is 12. This means uh, CB is 12 is this already put the 12 centimeter here. For the x, okay, now we find for x, square root 13 square 13 kuasa 2 minus 12 kuasa 2 equal to 5 centimeter. AB equal to 20 plus 5 is 25 centimeter. Area of pentagon equal to 2 times 1 per 2 in time 20 plus 25 and time 12 is 540 centimeter 2. Making a conclusion, hence the area of the pentagon is 540 centimeter 2. Okay. Class, do you understand so far about explanation, the side angle, the shape? I explained just now. If you don't understand, you can ask me now. Before we go to the quiz, class,
Yeah, Miss.
do you understand so far about explanation just now?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, me.
Okay. Now I will send the link for the quiz at I will send the link for the quiz at the group group class group class. I give you link. Class, you can start do the quiz. You can start now. Kelas, kamu orang sudah masuk ke dalam kuis.
Miss,
Baru nak
can
masuk.
we get a code for this quiz? Because if we
Okay,
take
for the
this quiz,
code, for the code 539 575.
with Miss, Malay is so slow.
Okay.
Miss, boleh ulang kod ke Miss?
Sudah saya send dalam grup 539 575.
Yo, sekejap. 539 575.
539575.
Okay.
Still loading. Tidak dapat disambungkan ke Quizy. Apa yang perlu dilakukan? Press the issued file.
Mana yang lain sudah masuk kah?
Tidak dapat, Miss.
Baik.
On the way, Miss, on the way.
Ono Okay. Sudah? Mana yang lain? Kenapa nih 3 orang saja ada masuk?
Miss, saya dah masuk.
Kamu kate.
Ya, nama saya Rika Sena. Pero.
Ya, Andre sudah masuk. Mana El? Oke, El sudah masuk. Alvin, mana kamu Alvin? Alvin, where are you? Alvin, El, Andre. Tuh, Oke, start. Nggak tahu.
Evin, jangan meniru Evin. Jangan meniru ChatGPT Evin.
Ada. Steady lah yang unik.
Class, have you all finished answering the quiz?
One question.
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes.
Nomor
Andre, how about
satu.
you, Andre?
Saya nomor 1, Miss.
Okay, good. So far, so good.
Yeah,
Wait,
yeah.
miss. Wait.
Yeah, yeah. 95% saya dapat, Miss.
Oh,
Miss tak sokong saya kah, Miss?
oi.
Miss tak sokong saya dapat 95% kah, Miss? Hello,
Apa
Miss.
tuh? Tak dengar saya.
Hadiah, Miss. Hadiah.
Ada mau hadiah apa, Miss?
Okay, next week I will give a simple gift.
Betul kah, Miss? Boleh
Lollipop.
percaya kah, Miss?
Lollipop. I will give lollipop.
Miss boleh percaya kah?
Oh,
It's okay.
don't know. This is
Bilang, miss.
surprise.
Miss, Evin ada mau cakap.
Apa?
Evin ada mau cakap.
Evin bercakap.
Evin mau cakap sesuatu.
Apa tuh?
Entah, tak tahu dia, Miss.
Oke. Kita tunggu Andre lagi. Andre, lama betul kamu, Andre? Masih lama kah?
Andre, kamu kenapa, Andre?
Oh, Andre sedang berfikir.
Dia pandai dengan
Sekejap,
kelas,
sekejap.
Miss.
Fokus, sekejap.
Okay.
Dia dekan, Miss.
Okay, semua dekan.
Yeay.
Class, are you enjoy for the quiz?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Okay.
miss. What is the can?
First class, Avin. Dekan is first class. Get appointed
Oh, I
3.6
see.
up,
Dia ke Miss.
upper.
Form 5 have pointer
Before
me.
before we end the lesson today, I will summary about what I teach just now, and I will ask question. I will ask question from you all. What do you learn today, Alvin? What do you learn today about this topic, Alvin?
I learn, I love,
Hello, Alvin.
I learn
Alvin.
about chef. I love, I learn about chef and same chef but different size and um, only that I think lah.
Okay, good, Abin. You pay attention at the class just now. Okay, now I will ask girls. I will ask Nick. What do you learn on this topic today?
I learned about the difference between congruence and similar.
Okay. Thank you, Nick and Alvin. For the summary of this topic today is okay. We can learn about shape, size, and angle. For the shape, trapezium, like triangle, and another lah, and another. Before we end the class today, I already prepare homework for you all class. Then homework I will share in the group class by today, and you can discuss with your friend, you can discuss with your classmate, and next week we will discuss about the answer of the question I give at the worksheet. Okay, thank you for today class. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
Miss.
class.
Miss.
Okay, thank you.